There's her outfit.
I just wanted to show because I feel like I look very military.
She does, she does. All right, can you do a spin around so I can see the back? Whoa. And there's the back. So cute. So cute. Okay, you can turn back around. Also, you guys, pay no attention to what you see right on the dresser. That wrinkle release is going to be a whole video on itself. So, just pay no mind. But yeah. We're watching Little Price is Right while we wait.
Looks like there's a little dirt.
Today is our last day, so we thought we'd show you a little bit of our
Something else because what I was going to do doesn't fit.
Alright, I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but it says better an oops than a what if. Alright, you guys, we're gonna film. I'm scared, it's gonna be cold.
That's what I was thinking.
Me neither. We're at the beach in front of everybody. Feeling awkward. Oh. That's a little cold. I hope I don't drop the camera.
I hope not too.
She's getting brave, you guys. That's as far as I'm going.
That's as far as you're going?
Yeah. But look at all the shells. You got this.
I don't think I'm going like in yet.
Okay, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a little fish. We are headed to our final meal, our very last meal. Shh! Ever. Where are we going?
Schooners.
Do you know what you're getting?
No.
I'm actually thinking about trying something new. I'm thinking about trying the mahi sandwich. We'll see. We got the mahi sandwich. Nana got the grilled mahi
again, it's very loud, so we have small children who are assisted here. You're going to like over years. Now, the only way that we get this can to fire is if everybody in here helps me count down from 5. Can you guys help me? Yeah! I think we can get a lot of time than that. Can you guys help me? Yeah! All right, on my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so this is my parents' room. And as you walk in, you got a closet, the bed, their TV, little dresser, and it's decorated throughout with little decorations, or big decorations. And then here is their bathtub, or not bathtub, but bathroom. And then you can't see too well, but they have, what is that? Okay, they have their own little balcony, and it's decorated. And then there's the canal. Yeah, you can see. So yeah, have good morning time, cute little sand dollar decorations. It's just really nice. Don't know what hotel that is, but got a good view of it. Alright, so we were supposed to film like a bunch of TikToks while we were here. We didn't do that. We had so many plans of videos we were going to film. We didn't do that. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the beach vlogs. I'm excited to edit these and get these up. It's going to be a couple of months, but we'll get there. And we're going to go pack and get ready to go home for tomorrow. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to us, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are always alerted for when we upload. We do upload every Monday and Wednesday. It'll probably be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we start uploading. I'm trying to get more current. And yeah, we hope you have a great day. Bye.